The skills I'm currently working on improving are adaptability and mental flexibility. I believe it is important to unlearn outdated methods in order to gain new experiences and continuously grow both personally and professionally. I work best in environment that is supportive, collaborative, and respectful. I value workplace where people show empathy toward one another, as it helps build strong teamwork and encourages productivity. In 5 years, I see myself being financially stable, having a secure and fulfilling job, and possibly owning my own property. I also aspire to be a build successful business in the future. An example of when I perform well under pressure is when I focus on being detail oriented and give my full effort and attention when completing a task. I manage my time effectively and practice delayed gratification to ensure that the outcome was of high quality despite the pressure. Yes, I consider myself a risk taker. I enjoy developing my skills and exploring my new experiences. I believe that taking risks is a part of growth, and I remind myself that if something is meant for me, it will happen, and if not, I will learn from it and move forward. Thank you very much for your time and consideration. I sincerely appreciate the opportunity to apply and I look forward for the possibility of working with your team.